So I take the veining tool, hold onto the cookie a little bit, and just drag it from one end to the other. And then here I pull it out from the center stem, out to the points. Okay, here, come out to the points. Okay, now to highlight that a little bit, what I like to do is take, this is a holly green luster dust. You can get it at your cake supply shop or online. Take a little of the holly green and go down the veins. And it highlights the veins, makes them a little bit darker. Brush off the excess, tap it off. And then I like to take a little bit of this, the gold, and I like to actually just brush this on dry. I just took some of it off right there. Pop that back down. And I like to just go around the edge with the gold. Okay, and then just take your red, tip number 3, royal icing, and do 3 berries right here at the base. See, I'm squeezing, and I didn't do them right next to each other. I gave them room to move. So instead of just doing one and then the one right next to it, just kind of separate them a little bit, like that. Okay, and there's your holly leaf. Okay, now we have a Christmas ornament here. Here's the cutter I used for that one. I like to take the ball tool first and at the top, just kind of make a little dent right in there, the ring part. Okay, that's where your wire would go through to hang it on the tree. And then this part right here, whoops, that's where that little gold, they're usually gold or silver metal parts that attach to the Christmas bulb. And just draw some lines. I do some that way and kind of pull some down this way. Like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my red royal icing and I'm going to go do a circle right up here at the top. And then on here I'm going to write ho ho ho. So you can pretty much do anything on here. And then maybe we'll just do some little swirls going around. Go this way. Some little dots in between. Okay. So then what we need to do is we actually need this to set for a couple minutes. So while we're doing that, we can go ahead and do our next one.